All right. Good morning. So we're just gonna go over what happened this week as far as GBP Chef. So on Sunday morning, so what I do, I'm gonna just go over the rules real quick for this strategy I use. I'm pretty proficient with it, and I have a pretty decent risk to reward ratio. Well, I ain't gonna say risk to reward. I'm gonna say a good P&L. Do because I go up 30-minute time frame and I use the volatility of the market, and then as you can see at the bottom, I use Heikin. It tells me the actual trend of the market, pretty much, as you can see right here, until it broke through. All right. Then I use the 9 and the 18 EMA cross. All right. The 30-minute time frame, Heikin candles, 20 to 30 pips. Profit target. Normally, I just do 20 pips and I'm out because I have a job, so I got things to do. And as you can see, no trades. I would say after 3 a.m. I'm already in the trade after before 3. But I would say let's change this up. Me personally, if I don't see a trade, I don't take anything after 5 a.m. because that's moving into the New York session, and to me, that kind of gets you trapped up. And then I look at the currency strength meter. All right, and as you can see, the first trade of the morning on Monday morning, you can see it broke through right here, and as you can see down here, right, this is a strong bearish, strong bullish Heikin candle. All right. So I waited for it to close, took the trade, and I profited 20 pips. All right. So this has to be strong down here for me. Let me erase that real quick. This right here is my confluence right here, as you can see. All right. That has to be strong. Even if it breaks through, boom. If I see a bearish candle or wicks at the bottom, I'm not going to take the trade. I'm going to wait for the next candle to see what it looks like and then go from there. But as you can see, this is a pretty winning trade. And then as you can see, it goes indecisive and it goes straight down for New York. So just believe me, if you tried to catch 100 pips from this move, it wasn't happening. Plus, it was still over the 200. That's another reason I took the trade. All right. So, and if you can see, it actually crossed at the beginning of Asian, I ain't gonna say Asian, I would say Singapore session. So it crossed. So you could have took the trade right here, but I only trade the London breakout session. All right. Let's move on to the next one. All right. As you're going right here, you see I mark off my highs and lows of the Asian session. As you can see, I'm right here. Let's move over right here so you can see. All right, let's mark this down. This is on Tuesday, right? Boom. So you look for it to break the highs and lows, but if you look down here at the bottom of my Heikin candles, you see it broke a little bit, but guess what? It's still inside the range. All right. If you're looking right here, let me show you. It broke through right here, right? Boom. Why am I not going to take this trade? Because if you look down here, this Heikin candle is pretty much wicks on both sides. So I'm not taking this trade. Wicks on both sides, not taking the trade. See how it's kind of trying to fake you out right here, going up, down, outside the mark of the Asian price range. If you see right here, this is 3 o'clock. Finally broke through around 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Not taking a trade because I don't like none of these Heikin candles. So I didn't take any trades. And remember, I said I don't trade after 3 o'clock because I have things to do. And it finally broke through, which is fine. But I'm already not even looking at the charts anymore. So let's move on to the next day. All right, if you look right here, it broke through, right? As you can see, that EMAs are kind of playing around, intertwined with each other. So if you look right here, boom, okay, that's fine. We see that we're not going to take that first candle because look at here. Look what happened with the second candle. Boom, closed out. All right, and this was a strong bearish candle. Got it. But you're not going to take it on the first candle, right? You're going to make sure you get a good confluence. All right, boom, look at that. Wicks on both sides. Don't take the trade. And it came back down inside of here, the range. So I'm not looking for sales because I'm waiting for it to be strong bearish outside this range. And if you look right here, boom, 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 all ugly, ugly, ugly Heikin-Ashi candles. All right, let's move to the next one. All right, as you can see, this is Thursday. All right, and this is a zone right here that I put. So let's move over to Thursday. And as you can see, I took this trade on Thursday. Look, broke through right here. Look, broke through the range. As you can see, this is a strong Heikin-Ashi candle. 9 and 18 EMAs cross. Broke through right here. Strong Heikin-Ashi candle. All right, on both sides. All right, so I took the trade for 20 pips. Boom, got in, get out the market. And it actually kept going up a little bit more to our to the previous resistance right here, but that's fine. I was already out the market, got my 20 pips. So if you look at the rules that I had set, let's look at the rules. Let's bring them back forward again. All right, look at the rules right here. All right, if you look right here, 19 EMA cross, 19 EMA cross. All right, let's make this EMA a different color because there's a lot of. Let's make it this way. Hopefully you can see that better. All right, 19 EMA cross, 30-minute time frame. Heikin-Ashi strong. If you're looking for a buy, make sure they no bottom wicks. Make sure no bottom wicks at the bottom down here. No trades after 5 a.m. Currency strength meaning. So this morning, the base currency, GBP, was very much stronger, 6-1. So if you look right here, it actually crossed right here inside of the Asian session, but that's fine because we want to stick to our rules. So actually broke through right here. You can see, all right, strong uptrend for bullish. Boom, take the trade, 20 pips, and you're out. All right, yeah, I get what I'm saying. So I took 2 trades this week, $400 profits. I had standard lots on each one. So let's move to the next one. Let me get rid of this. All right, so if you can see right here, look at this. This Friday, I don't trade Friday anyway, but let me just show you anyway. All right, so if you see it's in between these 2 zones right here, right? And if you look right here, it broke out. It tried to break out right here. But do we take this first one? No, just because it breaks out don't mean nothing. So if you look, candle pointing right here, all right, and they were both even in currency strength. So if you see right here, when they're both even, you can see right here, this is a wicks on both sides, wicks on both sides. See, if you're jumping in right here, you're not being patient. Look, the 9 and the 18 to intertwine in between the candlesticks. All right. All right. Now you see, oh, it's going back up. Okay. Should I take the buy? No, you shouldn't because you only take buys when they break out on this side. All right. And if you can see right here at the bottom of my Heikin-Ashi candle, all right, wicks on both sides. All right, we got a little nice bearish candle, right? Bullish candle right here. We're gonna wait for another one. Boom, look at that. All right, came down again, broke outside. All right, look at this candle right here. Broke outside. All right, we're gonna wait for another one. Boom, boom. See that? All right, so on Fridays, I don't trade because you get things like this. This is what you get on Friday. Some majority of the time, this is sideways action. You don't want to get trapped in there. Yeah, if you go down to the 5 minute time frame, you can catch some. That's not what I'm looking for. All right. Again, 19 EMA cross, 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame to me gives you the best confluence. A strong breakout. If you look over here, let's go back over here. All right, boom. If you can see, all right, good bullish movement. See these candlesticks right here? See these candlesticks? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Good 20 pips. 30 actually gave you 30 pips, 30, 40. Actually, this move, you're right, it gave you about 70 pips if you stayed in long enough. But me, I look for 20 pips, 30 pips, and I'm out. And then I go about my day. I don't have time to be monitoring the trade. All right. This gives you everything you needed. All right. You see how it separates? Boom, breaks out. 19 cross over to 18. All right, is in that 1 to 3 a.m. time frame. All right, that's Central Standard Time, of course. All right, 20 pips, currency pair, currency strength meter, 6 to 1. All right, and they broke out pretty good. All right, let's go back to the beginning of the week when we seen that. All right, here we go. Let me bring this down some. Look, broke out. If you look at the bottom two, I can actually strong all the way up to previous resistance. All right, broke out. Boom. All right, nice move right here for 20 pips. Like I said, you could have caught it right here if that's what you do when if you trading outside the Asian London breakout. That's fine. That's up to you. But right here, this would have been a good move right here to jump in and actually get your 20 pips before, if you right here, it broke out right here. Normally, I would have took it right here when it retested. But once it broke out right here, you could have actually took the trade for 20 pips. All right, and then make sure you do it just right below the EMA, and you actually would have got your 20 pips around 12 a.m. So it wouldn't even took you that long. You would have been asleep when this trade took place. All right, but just keep in mind it goes very, very slow for Asian session. All right. Other than that, I hope you guys understood what I meant, what I talked about. Stick to your strategy. Good risk to reward ratio. Stick to the strategy, and it works. All right. If you have a TradingView, I trade on TradingView a lot too as well. But if you have TradingView or whatever broker you use, and also join our Telegram group. This is the link down below. All right. Remember this. I only trade GBPCHF for this move because I've been trading it over a year now. So it works. All right. All right. So other than that, I hope you guys understood everything I said. Y'all have a good day and a good trading week next week.